Welcome back to RiceSpec. Please remember to subscribe. Today we have a review for you. So Poco has sent me a phone to do a review on over the past week. I've been doing a lot of testing and all the results are like superb. I have no complaint except for one. This phone is the Poco F4 GT. It's a camera phone, it's a social media phone, it's a gaming phone, it's everything you ever need in a phone. If you're a gamer, you won't have no regret if you purchase this phone. I'm a gamer myself, so I would know. Now let's get into the quick unboxing. The design is quite simple. The body is made of aluminum. Poco decided to go with a metallic styles. Although it's not geared towards gamer, but it still has a premium feel and touch. The camera is slightly elevated from the back. This device is coming in 3 colors. There's a stealth black, night silver, and cyber yellow. On the left side you have a mic, volume up and down button, and the dual SIM tray. On the right hand side you have the left and right magnetic pop-up button, power button with a built-in fingerprint sensor. So the slimness is at 8.5mm. At the top you'll find one of the dual speaker system, and at the bottom there's another dual speaker system, also your Type-C USB charging port. Display is a 6.67 AMOLED display with a refresh rate of 120 Hz. Brightness can go up to 800 nits. Protected by the Gorilla Glass Victus, very hard to break. With great power come great responsibility. 4700 mAh battery will be able to charge from 0 to 100 in 17 minutes using the 120 watt hypercharger that will be available in the box. While gaming, you don't have to worry about being uncomfortable charging your device. Plus, you'll be able to charge your device faster than any other device using the L-shaped USB charger along with the 120 watt fast charger. So the only issue I have with this device is this section right here tends to get a bit warm. I only wish it was in the middle. The button layouts and everything, it's perfectly designed. Simple touch. There's absolutely nothing else to complain about. Let's get into it. So the phone has 4 sets of speakers, 2 subwoofer, 2 tweeter. It's perfectly positioned so your finger won't block it whenever you're gaming. So what about earphone? What about it? There's nothing to worry about. It comes with a Type-C to 3.5mm earphone jack. You just plugged and play. I know you told your friend you're not okay. The Poco F4 GT is not only one of the best gaming phones on the market currently, but for the camera and the price range, it's exceptionally well. You have option to use the full 64 megapixel sensor to take wonderful photos. The camera is capable to take very wide shot to get all your scene is one photos. The colors, very beautiful details, or you can be more up close and personal to get very sharp, crispy, clear shots. The quality of the video coming out of this phone speaks for itself. It can be compared to a mirrorless camera, whether you're shooting for social media or just to upload to YouTube. You have many different options to choose from. It's able to shoot 4K at 60 frames per second. On the go, this phone will definitely be my go-to camera to use. The Poco F4 GT is running the latest chipset currently on the market, giving you an apex performance, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. Running with 12 GB of DDR5 RAM, up to 256 GB of storage, the MIUI 13 based on the Android 12. Playing PUBG using the magnetic pop-up trigger with the apex performance from this device is a sure win. For the price for the Poco F4 GT, when compared to the Samsung S22 Ultra or the iPhone 12 Pro Max, it's a no-brainer, guys. This is the phone for you, especially if you're a gamer. Comment below and let us know what you think about this phone.